Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Keema Biryani. Let's start the recipe. Add 3 green chilies, half cup of coriander, half cup of mint, 3/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add little water and grind into fine paste. Take 1/4 kg of keema. Add 2/3 cup of curd, 3/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Adjust red chili powder as per your taste. Add grinded coriander and mint paste. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Now in a vessel add 3 cups of water, 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom, 4 cloves, half inch of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of cumin. Let the water boil. Now add 1/4 kg of soaked basmati rice. Soak it for 30 minutes. The rice should be cooked 70%. We can check if the rice is cooked 70% or not by breaking the rice as shown in the video. Now in a vessel add 1/4 cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 medium sized chopped onion. Saute it until onion turns light brown and add marinated keema. More non-veg recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Cook until keema is cooked perfectly. Add the water if needed. At this stage, you can even use pressure cooker. Once keema is cooked perfectly, add keema and basmati rice layer by layer. Here the rice should be cooked by the dum. So I am placing a pan on the stove and on it I am placing the biryani vessel. Very tasty and delicious keema biryani is ready. Serve hot with any non-veg curry or with raita. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.